How to copy the content from DeepSeek AI to Microsoft Word. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your preferred web browser. Once you are in the browser, in the search bar, search for DeepSeek AI. Head over to the very first site. Tap on Start Now. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in this page, now you have to enter the prompt that you want to ask to DeepSeek AI. Let me enter something like, provide me the latest world news. Once you have entered, tap on send. Wait for a while for it to generate. Well, if it is not enough for you, then you can simply write that, show me more. And then again, wait for a while for it to process and generate. Once you have received the response that you need, now in order to copy, what you're going to do is, you have to drag it from the very top of the screen. Drag it till the information that you need. Do the right click and then tap on copy. Once you have copied the information, now what you're going to do is head over to Microsoft Word. In this page, all you're going to do is paste the thing that you have just copied. Tap on paste. And there you go. The information has been successfully added to your Microsoft Word. Likewise, you can copy and paste any of the content from DeepSeek AI to your Microsoft Word, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.